Hey there, ready to unlock the secrets of Trezor? Click that link in the description below to snag your special discount offer. Alright, let's dive in. First off, Trezor is your digital vault for cryptocurrency. Think of it as your digital Fort Knox. Got it? Great. Step 1. Unbox your Trezor. It's like Christmas but better because it's money. You'll find the device, a USB cable, and some recovery seeds. Step 2. Plug your Trezor into your computer. Yes, it's time to get connected. Head over to trezor.io/start. Follow the on-screen instructions. Easy peasy. Now, here's where the magic happens. Step 3. Install the Trezor bridge. It's like building a digital drawbridge between your computer and your Trezor. Just follow the prompts and you're golden. Step 4. Create a PIN. Make it strong, but not too complicated. You don't want to forget it and lock yourself out of your own digital treasure chest. Next up, Step 5. Back up your recovery seed. This is super important. Write it down, keep it safe, and don't share it with anyone. It's like the secret map to your treasure. Now let's add some funds. Step 6. Open the Trezor wallet through wallet.trezor.io. Hit receive to get your address. Send your crypto to this address. Boom, secure and sound. And there you have it. You're now a Trezor Pro. Remember, security first, fun always. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. And don't forget to click the link below for your special discount. Thanks for watching. Stay savvy, stay secure, and happy investing.